Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 under panel camera is as good as typical one. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So as we already know that Samsung next foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be featuring an under display camera. So most of the leaksters are pointing out that, so the popular leakster Max Weinbach is not only sure that the phone will be featuring this tech, but he also assured that it will be good. So basically the Z Fold 3 main screen will be coming with that tech, whereas the outer display will be coming with a punch hole camera cutout just in the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Another popular leakster ice Universe, which is more credible, has given us a new information about the phone under panel camera technology. Samsung has reportedly been working on under display camera for years, and we finally get to see in action this year. Oppo Xiaomi has also demonstrated their version of the tech, but they have yet to commercialize it. ZTE has already launched a phone with an under panel selfie camera, but the integration is little messy and the results are not on the par with the conventional camera. Ice Universe suggests that even though we can expect the Z Fold 3 under display camera to offer better result than implementation seen so far, the integration is not seamless. He also believes that the Z Fold 3 display camera has a higher light transmittancy than the solution we have seen so far, which implies image quality would be also going to be better. In another not so cryptic tweet, the insider has said that the camera is about good as the conventional snapper. Unfortunately, there is still a trade-off. The tipster has indicated that camera is not perfect and the display kind of looks like mosaic. So that's to be expected of the new technology, and as long as it looks better than the pinhole, most users probably won't mind. After all, even the ZTE Exynos 25G, the under-screen camera is barely noticeable in general use. As far as the main specifications are concerned, we are also going to see an S Pen support for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The Snapdragon 888 processor is going to be coming with that particular device, along with the 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. The leakster also points out it's going to be coming with a 4380 mAh of battery capacity with 25 watt of fast charging support. Android 11 is also going to be the latest software, and later this year we may also see the Android 12 support for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The main display will be coming with a 7.55 inch of 120 Hz of display, whereas 6.21 inch of display is going to be for the outer display, and it's going to be of 60 Hz. The device is also rumored to come with a stiffer but lighter frame than the Z Fold 2, and the IP rating for protection against water and dust also looks to be on the cards. An announcement is expected to be around in the mid of August, so the production is reportedly underway, and if rumors have substance to them, we think that the Z Fold 3 will be making it in the top Android smartphone. Also, Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be coming with a price tag, and most of the leaks are pointing out that this time around we are going to see a $400 off a price cut for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 tag, which is insane. And so guys, all in all, this is going to be Galaxy Z Fold 3. We have so many leaks regarding that particular device. The under display camera is real here, and we can expect that this is going to be coming with the latest Z Fold 3. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion regarding the under display camera tech coming for the devices? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.